Yeah, yeah. That nigga tight. Woo. Get that shit. That nigga tight. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. 4x4, baby. That's a 4x4. He ate that shit. Nigga, quit. 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 Oh shit, my finger cold. Huh? What? What's this? This is 421. Why you got a bag in your face? That shit crazy. Oh well, them niggas left. Right ahead. You're welcome. After one nigga fucking almost cleaned the whole street, y'all still can't go. Chill, nigga. Nigga throwing snow at me and shit. Oh, you stuck. That's Honda right there, 4x4.
That's crazy. You know where we're going?
That's a Honda right there, son. 4x4. You get him, son. Look at these two. Run! I got both stuck in the same spot. Oh. These niggas is mad as fuck. Oh shit, let's see the Escalade. The Escalade 4x4. Let's see that shit. That's for y'all. How these niggas just passing them like nothing. Ha, drifting. Ha. Look, y'all niggas lucky bastard. Move that chick, nigga. Alright, let's go home. Let's check. Dude, go. Look at my feet. All the way in the fucking snow. This shit is unbelievable, bro. New York Deuces, let's go. Bang, bang, bang. I'm on there real quick. What you know about that? Deuces. Fucking snowy ass day, son. Look at that chick crazy. Look at my fucking feet, nigga. Look at this. These are supposed to be stairs. I don't know, but oh well. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Almost busted my ass. Deuces. One last one. Let's see. Let's see. He got it? He got it. He got it. My nigga, I'm gotta show you this car. I didn't even see the chick. See the chick? I didn't see the chick, but oh shit. Fucking phone, camera, shit is freezing and shit. Look at this fucking car. Look at these cars, yo. They is. This is my hand, right? Look. Look at my hand. All the way I'm touching the window. Look at this shit is covered in snow. And I'm going back home. Oh shit, I can't stand my camera because I got gloves. But later, niggas.